Today we're going to try and grow a TikTok account with a free VPN. This video is for educational purposes, and so if you want to try this, you do it at your own risk. If you want to actually grow a TikTok account and you want to target people outside your country, let's say United States, United Kingdom, then you need a proxy. The best proxy that I can recommend to you, it's not sponsored, it's IP Royal. This proxy has helped me a lot to grow most of my faceless TikTok page. And so I'll leave links in the description. If you're new to the channel, my name is L, and if you haven't subscribed, do your best and then subscribe. Today we're going to try and grow a TikTok account using free VPN. And as we all know, a free VPN has a dynamic IP address, which means it changes from time to time. And so we're going to try and see if TikTok's algorithm is going to detect us using a free VPN. Like I said, this video is for educational purposes. And if you want to try this, you can do this at your own risk. A free VPN on a normal day is not used to grow a TikTok account. Most of these free VPNs has a higher fraud score that can actually hit our TikTok account. So let's dive into it. Okay, so the first thing we need is a mobile phone, and we might want to set it up so that TikTok does not detect that we are from another country. And so I would like to select United States. This is the phone I'm using, MI Note 10, and I am going to set it up in a certain way that it will change the country to United States. Is going to change the time and some other options on it. So just change the country and the time and the language to English language. It's very simple to do this. Now let's proceed to the next step. Once we have this, we're then going to download this VPN app. I'm then going to leave the link in the description. You can click on it and download it. And some of these settings with changing the country or region, time, date might differ if you're using a different phone, but I'm guessing you can just go through and do this. Now I have the app installed on my mobile phone, so I'm then going to proceed and then turn on the VPN to the United States. I already have my email created, and so I'm going to use that email to create an account on TikTok with a VPN on. Setting up the account is the most easiest part. I'm going to go with a name and a logo for it, and then I'm going to give it a quick bio that we can use. One of the most popular niches on TikTok is pets and animals, funny pets and dogs. Within the first minute of creating my account, I added a bio and an account name and a username. And what we need to do is to warm up the account. I have a full tutorial on how to warm up TikTok accounts. I'll leave it in the description. Because of time, I'm then going to warm up the account for the first 30 minutes, leave it for almost about 2 hours, and then come back and post a first video. Let's see if this VPN might work, and let's see if TikTok can detect if you are actually using a VPN. To do this, we first have to be connected to a Wi-Fi with no SIM in the phone. Head on to settings and select VPN, and then turn on always on VPN. So we're going to use Windscribe, and right from here I'm going to refresh and then connect to New York Empire. I'm going to click the power button there, and it's going to connect. Now we are now connected, and then I want to click on grant permission and then set Windscribe to no restrictions so that the VPN does not go on from time to time. Let's check out the VPN if it's working, and I went to hua.net, and you can see the VPN is actually working. Your disguise is 100%. But since this is a free VPN, there might be several problems. The next thing is to download TikTok with a VPN on, and so I'm going to download it right here. So I clicked on download, and it's being downloaded onto the phone. Once TikTok is installed, you have to click on open, and right from here we are going to create an account with a VPN on. So I'm going to use one of my Gmails right here, set up my date of birth, and then from there we are logged in. I'm going to create a nickname for the account, which is Zoomy Kingdom, and also the niche I'm selecting is animal niche. Okay, so from here we are going to warm up the account, and I have a video on how to warm up our account in the description. From here we then give the channel a name, upload a logo, and this is a logo that I created with Dreamina AI, and so I'm going to upload it as my profile pic. So I'm then going to click on save right here. So our account is set up, and then I'm going to add a bio, a daily dose of funny cats and dogs. All right, so I want to go back and then refresh the page again. Now with most new accounts, you are unable to follow, and that's very usual unless you are being shadow banned. To warm up the account, I'm then going to search for funny cats or anything that is about your niche. So you just search for it and then set the category to top, or you can just select videos at the top there, and then there are a bunch of viral videos about your niche. Just click on it, watch them, like some videos, comment. And since it's a new account, like I said, you cannot follow. If you follow, sometimes the follow option does not work, and this is a sign of shadow ban. Sometimes the account will never grow, and then when you post a video, you're going to get 0 views. Okay, so I followed this page. Let me refresh it, and you can see it didn't follow. This means that using a free VPN is very risky. Anyway, let's proceed. So after warming up the account, you're going to watch some videos about cats, dogs, and then leave the account for, let's say, some 2 hours. Okay, but you can like some videos, interact with the videos, and then comment as well. Comment just for TikTok to know that you are a human being, not a robot. And this is just a new account coming into the system. After waiting for 2 hours and warming up the account, we're going to make our first post. So this is the post. I'm then going to paste the captions and everything, and then just post the video. So this is a video of cats that I compiled and I made some editing, so we won't get any copyright, or we will not be banned from the For You feed. Okay, so I'll posted the video right here, and so let's wait. Let's wait. Most of the times you can just create an account and post, and like the video goes viral. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need to warm up the account for almost 3 days or a week. After 24 hours of posting the first video, let's see if I made any improvement. Let's open TikTok right here. And these are some pages. Let's try and follow again if we can follow. When I click on follow and then I refresh the whole page, it unfollows the person back, which means this account is shadow banned, and using free VPNs is not good. The video also hit 0 views as well, but it's high quality content with no copyright, and then the video got 0 views. And so that's it, guys. I knew this was going to happen. After using a free VPN to create our account and post videos on it, we actually got shadow banned, and then the views dropped and we hit 0 views on our first post. And that is to tell you that using free VPNs on any account at all can damage your account's credibility, and then you're going to get shadow banned. And so if you want to try this out the correct way, I've linked down a video in the description for a video that I used a proxy to actually do this, and you can watch that video and learn. A free VPN consists of a dynamic IP address, and you cannot use it to grow or do anything with growing a TikTok account and making money with it.